The internet has generated a massive wave of self-made millionaires over the last decade. Yet, for millions of people trying to earn a living online, that money slips right through their fingers, and the entire idea is dismissed as a scam or an impossible dream. Beginners often fail by prioritizing the speed of the payout over the depth of the solution. They hunt for easy money and overlook the necessity of a valuable skill. There is a basic economic reality at play here. The internet does not pay you simply for owning a laptop and having a Wi-Fi connection. You are compensated directly for the specific value you provide to someone else. This diagram shows exactly how to solve the hurdle of making your first $1,000 online. To get past the noise of hustle culture, you need to rely on a rigid three-part mathematical formula: acquiring a skill, building proof, and executing outreach. Relying on a tested system, rather than blind effort, is the only reliable way to push through the initial, highly difficult phase of online business, the exact phase where almost every beginner quits. The first variable in our equation is the asset. You do not need to master 10 different things to start earning. You need to select exactly one high-income skill, whether that is video editing, graphic design, or copywriting, and focus entirely on that. Acquiring this asset requires an initial capital investment of time. By dedicating just 1 hour a day to focused learning, using free resources on YouTube, you can build a solid technical foundation in a matter of weeks. But this is where the bottleneck happens. Beginners get stuck in a perpetual learning loop. A skill has zero economic value if the market cannot see it. That brings us to the second variable, the proof. To prove you can solve problems, you have to build a sample portfolio. Even without a single paying client, you can create mock projects that demonstrate exactly how your skill works in the real world. A visible portfolio takes abstract knowledge out of your head and turns it into a tangible asset that businesses can actually evaluate and decide to invest in. With your asset built and your proof visible, you apply the third variable, the pitch. This requires active, targeted outreach to small businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs who need what you do. Spamming hundreds of inboxes with identical pitches is a low-value action. The high-value alternative is sending polite, highly personalized messages that identify a specific bottleneck a business is facing and explaining exactly how your skill solves it. When you send enough of these targeted messages, someone will eventually hire you. That first paying client serves as the ultimate test of your entire equation. The moment that first transaction clears, you have objective data. You've moved from theoretical learning to a confirmed market exchange, providing a concrete baseline for your professional confidence. That first dollar acts as a mathematical validation of your equation. It confirms that your specific combination of skill, proof, and outreach can generate revenue in the real world. Now that your equation is validated, reaching the $1,000 threshold is simply a matter of adjusting the numeric variables. This chart shows the high-volume path. Pricing your skill at $100, you need exactly 10 clients to stack up your first $1,000. But when we adjust the math, improving your skill to charge $250, you only need 4 clients to reach that exact same threshold. A new compounding variable enters the equation: word-of-mouth referrals. Those referrals effectively automate your outreach. Your original 4 clients bring in more, allowing your initial $1,000 to rapidly scale to $5,000 and then $10,000 without requiring any extra marketing effort. $1,000 is a modest sum, yet it provides a shift in perspective. After you've successfully navigated the path to your first $1,000, you have a repeatable blueprint for every dollar that follows. So, what is the first online skill you want to master? Let me know your chosen variable in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more blueprints on building your financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.